Hey guys, welcome back to another video, BKC channel. So how are you guys doing? I have new hair, just to tell you, from last time. Anyways, this is not a Roblox video, of course. This is just a normal video of to do stuff. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this video. Havana, heart is in Havana, and in a heart is in Havana. So, anyways, let's just get right into it. But you guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give it the biggest like ever. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. So now let's get for real. Guys, the first thing that you do is go to InShot. And after you, of course, it's just anywhere you can just find it. So then you press on videos, and you press on new. Yeah, you're supposed to have a blank space. So you just take a blank space or like a video that you just got. And I just have a blank space. So the first thing you do is click on that blank space here down, and you press on, you see here volume, and you just reduce the volume to 0. And then you're not going to be hearing anything. So yeah, the second thing you do is press on music here. Press on that, and then you press on record. You guys, what I now have is this. Just look. So I just have that now. Then you press on record if you want extra sound effect. Wait, I'll just tell you guys. I'll make that on another video, so not this video. And I'm going to show you what you can do, how I edit my videos. You guys just comment down below. So anyways, what you have to do is press record if you want an extra sound on that, or you can do the same sound. So I just press on record. You guys, I just have to pause this video because otherwise, so I'll come back when I recorded that extra sound. So what I'm just going to be doing is just this. La 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 la. So that's the whole time that I'm going to be doing. So that's all. Now I got my sound. I'm just going to be showing you guys. So if you guys think it's too loud, press on the sound, which sound is too loud, and press on volume. And you can just reduce it. It's not that high, and you can hear now. And then let's go now to the next sound. But if you want, you can split your thing, so like this, and split it, and then you can delete it. So yeah, if you want, and I'll tell you the rest on other videos. And now I'm going to just record another sound. So now I just sang the lyrics of it, like the music, and I'm going to just show you guys. It's not perfect at all, sorry. So yeah. All the way to the ground, there is nothing you can do. All the way to the ground. So that's what all I got. When you're finished, you press on this check over here, and you have. So if you want, you can put lyrics. Text. I'm just gonna write like the main chorus is all the way to the ground. So. Well, wait, just you guys. So you guys, when you put all the way to the ground, it don't have to be all the way to the ground. You can just make your own lyrics. Well, anyways, then you can adjust it to be big or small, or you can edit it. So yeah, I'm just finished with it. Anyways, so when you want to edit it, you want to change colors, you can just change it here. I like this one. And you have these down here where you can do whatever you want, but there's not going to be your color that you want. So yeah, and when you press on this, you can put what kind of name thing or something. So I'm just going to put medium. And here you can do like what's gonna be like that. And then you put in, and then out. It can be like this. So yes, and then you have here, you can adjust it. So you adjust it right to the end or right to the place you want. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. When you're finished with that, you adjust it to where you want it to be. And then you press on the check again. All the way to the ground, there is nothing you can do. All the way to the ground. So that's, yeah. You can put extra text. You can put emojis. I didn't put that in the last one. But you can put like what kind of emojis you feel. So I just feel like this is a fiery, and then let's just put the cowboy. So yeah. So like I said, you can adjust it where you want it to be. And I want it to be there, end of the whole thing. And then you press check, and it's finished. So you guys, this is now the finished video that I'm going to show you guys. All the way to the ground, there is nothing you can do. All the way to the ground. So that was the finished video. And I'm just going to go back to showing my face. Oh wait, so when you're finished with the finished video, press on save here up. And you press on save. But then you see quality. I just put customize. And you can put the number that you want. I just say okay, like whatever. I don't care. And then you have to wait until analyzing says. And you have to comfort when it waits. So I'll just tell you guys when it's finished. So now it's finished. You can save to your album thing. You can put it wherever you want. So yeah. And now you press discard or you press on draft. Draft is if you want to save it, discard if you don't want it anymore. So yeah. And now come back to me. So you guys, now I finished how you edit, how you do that. If you guys want how I edit my videos, just comment down below. And anyways, that was the end of the video. I hope you guys subscribe and hit the biggest like ever. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. So you guys, give me some ideas what to do next time because I was struggling. So that's why I didn't make a video like so soon. If you guys see watermelon and rainbow. Anyways, so that was the end of the video. If you guys want a Roblox video next time, just comment down below, and or next time a normal video, and tell me guys what you want me to do. So anyways, peace out, bye. All the way to the ground, there is nothing you can do. All the way to the ground.